Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word Pabo in depth. First, the definition. Pabo means a Korean slang term for fool or idiot. Think of it simply as someone acting silly or clueless. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Pabo traces back to Korean slang and is commonly used in Korean dramas and daily speech. Over time, it's been used by Korean speakers across generations. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use Pabo in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She called him a Pabo after he forgot their anniversary again. Correct example 2. Don't be a Pabo and double check your work before submitting. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to Pabo my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using Pabo correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Pabo means a Korean slang term for fool or idiot. It comes from Korean slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with Pabo down in the comments. Get creative, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.